Do you feel like you're too busy for marketing? Don't fall into this trap. It's like when I'm busy, if you're busy and you're like, oh, I just don't have the time to work out, but I want to reach this fitness goal. So I might not have the time for the P90X.
Oh yeah.
An hour and a half, or that, what is it, the 72 hard or 75 hard. I might not have time for that. But that doesn't mean that I just don't do any workout whatsoever. Or like, am I gonna hit my fitness goals at the end of the year if I just am like, okay, just because I can't do the 75 hard that everyone's doing, I'm just gonna throw out my workout altogether? Heck no, I'm gonna do what I can.
Yes.
I'm gonna get my 20-minute ride on my bike in. I'm gonna get my sit-ups and push-ups done, you know? So there's things that you can do. And the same is true in marketing. So you might be like, dude, I'm just so busy for marketing, I can't do marketing, or I'm too busy.
Crazy.
But you have goals, revenue goals you wanna hit. You have, if that's like me saying I want to be able to fit into my pre-baby jeans, I'm almost there.
Come on.
But I'm not going to do the workout. It's like, it's not going to happen.
No.
And the same is true. If you want to go to the next level in your business, you've got to do what you can. So what you can is, okay, find out your who, how you solve their problem better than anyone else in the industry. And then let's see what you got time for. If you're on social, you know how you get the notification for your phone on the screen time, your weekly screen time? If that screen time so it'll break it down on like social media, on this. If that screen time is more than 30 minutes on stuff that isn't work related, you have time to pull out this phone, put it, you can even use your arm as a tripod. The phones have great stabilization now.
Simply done.
And put out a video once a week of a nugget of that, something you can do. Like there's something you can do. Don't fall into the trap that you can't, that you're just like, nope, I'm too busy for marketing. That's like saying,
too much.
That's like a farmer saying, I'm too busy to plant seeds for next year's harvest. Like I've got this great harvest, I'm pulling it all in. And then he's like, no farmer is going to say, oh, I'm set for life, I don't have to plant for next year. That would be a farmer that's going to go out of business, right?
Well, good luck with the next season's farming. You will be making zero bank account. So make sure to she just dropped some gold. And I appreciate the fact that you mentioned when you are busy, when you're crazy busy, that's a good thing. It's awesome. But don't neglect that window where you could just be taking it and creating 5 shorts. Something that works right now, quick, easy, with the phone. 5 of them within 5 minutes each, because all it is 30 to 60 seconds, whatever it may be. Bam, done. That's your marketing that you can pump out, get some awareness to a new product, to a new service, to the things that you know you're growing into, and see increase. That's all it takes.
And then don't do it alone. So you're crushing it, and you're like, okay, but I don't have any capacity. What do I do with those new leads? Find someone who's good, that is hungry in sales. Be like, here, you get to take all these leads. You get a commission on this. They get to get up. You could even build a relationship where you have someone else doing the fulfillment, and you get a cut. So there's things that you can do, but don't stop marketing. That's again, it's like a farmer not planting seeds for next year. So don't do it, because we've been in that. We've made this mistake early on. We're like, we're so busy, and then it just goes because we weren't planting any seeds. So be planting seeds, because you don't want to have it come to where you're like done with reaping the harvest and then it's quiet. Then what happens? It's like your revenue dips, leads dip, sales dip, and it affects what? It affects your health, marriage, kids. Don't do it. So you, like what Mike said, you could do just quick 1-minute videos and then have them just be like, hey, go here, go do that. Don't forget to point them where to go. To get connected with that salesperson or the person who's going to be white labeling under you or something like that.
Right, connecting point. That's a clear direction. You know where what you want them to do, right? To connect with you. And speaking of connecting, if there is a question in your mind that I'm still kind of gray, I'm still a little confused, something that I want to get clarity on, don't forget that. Don't neglect to connect with us. There's a link below. Click it. We'll set up a call, 15 minutes, keep it short and sweet. But come intentful I have a specific question for a specific purpose. Let's knock it out. We'll do it together. And then if you're not ready for that, if you're like, I am too busy for 15 minutes, but I do have a teammate, get the PDF below. We have a PDF, breaks it down step by step, solid resource. You can put them to work, have them implement those things, and you'll see results. So
today is the day to take action and change your life forever. Get after it, guys.